We're going to do a fun song, a song about trying to catch a fish. Try and try that you may. All the different techniques, all the fishing techniques with the net, with your hands, with your mind even. Trying to outsmart this fish. It's one of the slipperiest fish that we have. It's called the Oopo fish. And this song talks about trying to catch that fish. Eventually, she doesn't catch the fish, so she has to try again the next day. Hope you're doing everything.
Oh, good.